Okay, I'm all suited up. I've got the unicycle in the dinghy. You see it down there. There's my dry bag. Oars, everything's ready to go. And I'm gonna row right over there, right where the rocks meet the sand. It's the calmest. There's a little bit of a swell you can see that's coming in here. And right on the beach, a little bit of a breaking wave. I mean, I could get through that. It's really not a problem. But I just don't want to get my feet wet. So I'm just going to finish my Coke and row on over there. And I think I've been debating where to go with the unicycle. I think either Parsons Landing on the east side up here about 7 or 8 miles that way, or Little Harbor, which is over on the west coast that way. And I think the Little Harbor ride might be more interesting because it'll be through the interior and then we'll drop down on the west coast in a real remote place too. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna head over to Little Harbor. So that's it. Let's get in the dinghy and get going. Okay, I thought I should probably start recording because if something interesting is going to happen, it's going to be now. This is where I'm going to be coming ashore. So I want to get right over here next to these rocks where I do it. Yeah, right there. Yep. Right here. This is going to be easy. There's absolutely nothing here. Let's get going. Am I already aground? No. Just catch this little wave. Come on, I'm gonna get my feet wet, damn it. I didn't want to get my feet wet. Oh well. We're here. Not bad, actually. Huh. These shoes have got a water repellent on them. So my feet are dry. Who can complain about that? I'm going to try a little trick. I saw this on another YouTube sailing channel. I just happened to find this fender as I was on my way here. It was floating in the water in San Diego Bay. And I went, wow, I think I know I have a use for that. So I stopped and picked it up. Oops. Okay, let's try this again. So, you put the fender underneath the dinghy. Yeah, it works. The dinghy just rolls right up the beach on it. Yeah, that works. All right. So, first hill, and we're starting out on the hill, guys. And away we go. I was kind of worried that this might be real muddy after raining all day yesterday, but it's in good shape. Kind of makes me wonder how rough the roads are going to be though. Maybe I ought to go down to Parsons Landing. It's going to be, I think, a better road. Maybe I should do that as the first trip. Just head over there. Take it easy the first time. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. Because I know that for miles and miles of this. Guys over there using the weed whackers. I expect them to see me and hear the weed whacker stop any minute. Like, what the hell is that? All right. Let's stop here for a moment. Take a look. Beautiful. So I think the road continues up that way. I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, it probably goes right on up around and a switch back up over there and then down that way. So that's what we'll do. Let's get going. Okay. Just passed a couple of the work crew. They were friendly. So I was a little worried about that they might stop me, but they waved hello, smiles. So far so good. So let's head this way. Heading up into the mountains and continuing to climb. Good so far. Wow. Look at that view, guys. There's my boat down there. It's beautiful. Wow. What a great place to ride. Okay, here's decision time. Little Harbor and airport this way. And that road looks pretty good, actually. I got a full battery. Or Parsons Landing that way. That way is going to be all coastal. We're going to see all coast. This way is not. So let's go this way. There's a bulldozer coming behind me. So let's go down. We'll take the coastal route. Go down the hill. And at least we'll have some ocean views the whole way. Although the inland could be pretty cool too. So I'm thinking tomorrow maybe, get home, I'll fire up the generator and I'll charge the wheel back up. Won't even need to fire up the generator actually. I'll just charge the wheel off the house batteries in the boat, and then we'll go do Little Harbor tomorrow. Oh, this is awesome. All right, more later. Okay, that Jeep that just passed me right there, that was a Catalina Island Conservancy vehicle, and the guy driving it just waved to me. Nice friendly wave, so we're all good. No concerns now. I saw on the Conservancy page that the trails were open, so I'm pretty confident that I have a right to be out here doing this, but you never know. It was brand new. I mean, the trails haven't been open that long, and I'm probably the first person out here since the reopening. And you don't know how well the word gets around to everybody. It's like, okay, the trails are open. Some people may not have heard or something. And so, yeah, cool. This is awesome. This is really awesome. Such a beautiful place to ride. And I'll tell you, one of the nicest things, it's like I got this whole place to myself right now. There's nobody here. When I went through town, some people looked at me. They were all smiles. I heard one guy say, "Hey, look at that guy." So that's cool. A little muddy, the road from yesterday's rain, but not bad. I mean, it's not like you have to ride through any big puddles or anything. Check this out. That's called Howland's Landing there. Some kind of a Boy Scout camp or something. There it is, Island Fox, right there. Well, guys, looks like Emerald Cove is the end of the road. Authorized vehicles only, no bikes. Hiking permit required. So this is it. I'd love to go further, but they're not going to let me. Wanted to get down to Parsons Landing, but no go. So I guess we'll start heading back. Man, I think I got like tons of battery left too. Let's take a look at what I have. 82%. Join us again next week when we continue our ride into the interior, get a higher point of view, and take a walk on a nice secluded beach.